Good morning, dear students. Today in English class, I am going to explain one rhyme-like poem, or you can say poem, or you can say rhyme, having in your English book page number 62. So all of you please open your English book and watch the video very properly with the help of your parents. So let's start. First of all, you have to write classwork. Then date. Today's date is 17 oblique month is 12 oblique 2021 is the year. Here written rhyme time. Two children, they are telling this rhyme. What they are telling, see, what is the rhyme, see? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. The stars in the night sky, you can see the stars, isn't it? They are very little because they are very far from us. That's why they are looking very little. Okay. And children are telling that twinkle, 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 twinkle. They are giving their shine, no. They are looking like diamond. Okay. And always twinkling in the night sky. How I wonder what you are. They are telling that they are very far away from us, and how they are very far away, then also looking like diamond, and the night sky is looking very nice. So they are very wondered about it, means they feel very curious. Okay. Up above the world so high. World is so high and they are very up, very much up, isn't it? So high they are. We can see them very high, high sky. That's why they are telling that so high, they are so high. That's why they are very much curious about it or wondered about it. Like a diamond in the sky. They are looking like a diamond, and where they look, where they shine, and where they, we can see where we can see them in the night sky, in the sky, and looking like a diamond. Okay. Every star is looking like one diamond. When the bright sun is set, when the sun is set, that time they can appear. Okay. When the grass with dew is wet, we can see them when the in the night time, when the grass is totally wet because of dew. Dew, you can say water droplets. Okay, we can see it on leaves, sometime in grass, flowers, etc., etc. in winter night. Okay, so winter night in the grass we can see dew. And when we can see dew on the grass? Only at the night time or winter night. Okay, dew is wet. That time the grass is wet because of dew. Then you show your little light. Only they have little light, no? Only night sky they can, or only night time they can show their little light. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. And they having in the sky all the night. And they are twinkling. Whole night they twinkling in the night sky or in the sky. So this is the poem. So now come to, you have to read this poem. Okay. Now come here, what written, see, find the naming words in the poem. So in this poem some naming words are there, we have to find out. Write those in the blanks below. 4 naming words are already given. 4 naming words given. One is star, another is diamond, another is dew, and other is night. So these 4 given, we have to find out the rest of the naming words. So let's find out. Twinkle, twinkle, little star written. Star is the naming word. This is written. How I wonder what you are. Here not any naming word written. Up above the world is, yes, world is a naming word. So write here WORLD, world. You can say earth, where people, animals, etc. live together. Okay, this is called world, and it is a naming word. Like a diamond in the sky. Sky also, diamond written, no, diamond also naming word written, and next is sky. Sky also a naming word. So write here S-K-Y, sky. Next is see, when the bright sun, sun is a naming word I told in last class, in science class. So sun, write here sun, S-U-N, sun. Next is set. When the grass, grass also a naming word, isn't it? G-R-A-S-S, grass, also a naming word. Then with dew is wet. Dew written, no, dew also a naming word, dew written. So next find out. Then you show your little light. Yes, light is a naming word. So our next rhyming word is L-I-G-H-T, light. So come to next. Now here what written? Find the doing and describing words. Write those in the blanks below. Some blanks given here and you have to write doing word first. So first word, first letter written here, C, W, and here S. So with W, what word will start? C. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder. Wonder means curious, no? This is a action word or doing word. W-O-N. W can write again. Trace your pencil. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder. This is a action word or doing word. Wonder. What you are up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the bright sun is set. Yes, sun sets in the west, isn't it? So set also a doing word. So write here S with S, S-E-T, set. S is started with S. Set is started with S, so set here. Now come to describing words. So let's find out the describing words. What written? First letter C, L. So twinkle, twinkle, little. Yes, little is a describing word. How the star is very little. So L again write, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Next is the letters start with H. So let's find out which word starts with H. How I wonder what you are up above the world so high. Yes, high is also a describing word. How they are very high. Okay, so H-I-G-H, high. Next letter is B. Okay, so write here B. So let's find out the letter starts with B. Like a diamond in the sky. When the bright, yes, how the star is very bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Next letter is W. So let's find out the word with W. With dew is wet. Wet is another describing word. How the dew is wet. The condition is whenever your mummy washed your clothes, washed your dress, this condition is called wet. That time you can say wetty dress, okay, or wet dress. So you have to write this in your English book and learn this with the help of your parents. Okay, this is the classwork for today. Okay.